Understanding Turn a blind eye, a deep dive into its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English idiom, turn a blind eye. It's a phrase you might have come across in movies, books, or even in daily conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in various contexts. So, let's get started. The phrase, turn a blind eye, is used when someone intentionally ignores certain information, facts, or activities happening around them. It's not about lacking sight, but rather about choosing not to see something, metaphorically speaking. This idiom often implies a decision to overlook or ignore unwanted or inconvenient information or behavior. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, turn a blind eye, is believed to have its roots in a historic naval battle. The British Admiral Horatio Nelson, who had lost the use of one eye, is said to have put his telescope to his blind eye, claiming not to see a signal from his superior to withdraw from battle. Instead, he continued fighting, and winning. This act of deliberate ignorance gave birth to the idiom. To grasp the idiom's usage better, let's look at some examples. In professional settings, despite knowing about the misconduct of his team, the manager turned a blind eye, prioritizing results over ethics. In everyday life, she turned a blind eye to her friend's bad habits, not wanting to create any conflict. In literature and media, the novel's protagonist turned a blind eye to the corruption in his town, focusing instead on his personal gain. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, applicable in various scenarios where ignorance is chosen over confrontation or acknowledgement. When using turn a blind eye, it's important to remember that it often carries a negative connotation, suggesting a purposeful neglect or refusal to acknowledge something significant. It can be used as a standalone statement, he decided to turn a blind eye. Within a sentence, turning a blind eye to the problem will only make it worse. It's also crucial to use this idiom in appropriate contexts where the meaning is clear and relevant. Turn a blind eye is a powerful idiom that adds depth to our language, enabling us to describe a deliberate act of ignorance in a nuanced way. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and usage for you. Remember, understanding the subtleties of English idioms not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension and expression. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos on English language learning. See you next time.